Hey everyone, this is Dave Dorman, Assistant Director at Workshop on the Water, and today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about knots. On your last trip to the Cruiser Olympia, you may have had a chance to try your hand at a few different knots, and knots are used by sailors all over the world for various things. Today we're going to be using them to make knot bracelets. So grab some rope and follow along.
So the first knot we're going to learn for our bracelet is called a square knot. We're going to pick up our rope. We're going to have one end in each hand. We're going to take our left hand and we're going to cross it over the right hand. We're going to twist that end through. Next, we'll take our right hand and we'll cross it over the left side. And we'll twist that one through the loop. And then we're going to pull it all tight. Grab all four pieces that you have coming out there. And there you go. We'll trim off our excess and we'll have a nice square knot bracelet. All right, so the next knot we're going to learn for our bracelets is called a sheep bend. A sheep bend is used to tie two separate ropes together end for end. In this case, we're going to obviously use one piece of rope. We're going to start out by making a loop in one end, or what is often called a bite. We're going to pick up our other end, which is going to then come up through the bottom of that loop. We're going to cross around behind, so up through and around behind. And then we're going to come back through and we're going to go over top of the initial loop that we created and underneath the piece that came up through. So now we should have a little tail sticking out. We're still holding on to our loop over here. And we're going to grab all four of these pieces and we're going to pull it tight. And there you go. We can trim off our ends and we'll have a nice knot bracelet. Hope you all enjoyed it.